Freedom doesn't come from urgency. It comes from alignment. This is a truth that many of us learn over time, a quiet wisdom that settles in after years of running. In our culture, especially in the world of business and careers, there is a loud and persistent message. It tells us that speed is everything. It says that to win, you must be the first, the fastest, the one who never stops moving. This idea is promoted everywhere, from headlines to conference speakers. It creates a feeling of constant pressure, a sense that if you are not rushing, you are already falling behind. This belief in speed as the ultimate prize is what I call the myth of urgency. It is a powerful story, one that can be very compelling. It paints a picture of success born from frantic activity and sleepless nights. But for those of us who have reached the milestone of 50 and beyond, this narrative often begins to feel hollow. The rush that once felt like ambition now feels more like a source of stress and exhaustion. It can lead us to make choices that are not truly in our best interest. It is time to challenge this myth and embrace a different, more powerful approach. Calm is the better plan. Calm is not the same as being slow or inactive. It is not about giving up or stepping back from your goals. Instead, calm is a powerful and deliberate strategy. It is about replacing chaotic motion with intentional action. Calm means you take the time to think clearly before you act. It is the practice of aligning your work with your deepest values and your life's true purpose. When you operate from a place of calm, you are not reacting to the noise around you. You are responding from a place of inner strength and clarity. This perspective shift is crucial after 50. The cost of a mistake, whether in business or in personal finance, becomes higher. Our time and energy are more precious than ever before. We no longer have the luxury of recovering from major setbacks as quickly as we did in our 20s or 30s. Therefore, the need for a sustainable, intelligent path forward is not just a preference, it is a necessity. The belief that constant hustle is the only way to succeed is a story that no longer serves us. It is time to write a new one where calm is recognized as the ultimate strength. To understand calm as a strategy, we must first define it clearly. Calm is not a passive state of waiting for things to happen. It is an active process of careful study, thoughtful planning. It is the discipline of looking at a situation from all sides before making a move. Think of it as a master chess player who sees the entire board, not just the next immediate move. Asking probing questions, gathering real data, listening to your own intuition, understanding the difference between being busy and being productive. Chaos is busy, calm is productive. Let's explore the difference with a simple example. A business owner operating from chaos hears about a new social media trend. They immediately jump in, spending time and money without a clear plan. Their actions are driven by fear of missing out. A business owner operating from calm also hears about the trend. They pause, and whether it reaches their ideal customer. They run a small, inexpensive test to see if it works for their business. Their actions are driven by strategy, not fear. Hasty decisions under pressure can lead to big losses. Chasing a hot stock tip, investing in a speculative venture without due diligence. A calm, strategic approach to money involves creating a solid plan, building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, prioritizing the creation of stable, predictable income streams over chasing risky, quick profits. This builds wealth slowly but securely. Financial stability after 50. Ultimately, calm is about creating a foundation for long-term success and well-being. It supports stability across your life. When your business decisions are calm and considered, your income becomes more reliable. When your financial choices are calm and planned, your savings grow steadily. That stability reduces stress and frees mental and emotional energy. You stop wasting resources on what doesn't work. You focus time and energy on projects and relationships that truly enrich your life and support your long-term goals. The culture of hustle is celebrated so loudly that its hidden costs are often ignored. It glorifies burnout as a badge of honor and equates a packed schedule with importance. This relentless pace demands that you are always on, always available, and always producing. While this may seem impressive on the surface, it comes at a very high price, especially as we age. The most immediate cost is to our physical and mental health. Constant stress floods our bodies with cortisol, leading to poor sleep, weakened immunity, and an increased risk of chronic health issues. The mind becomes foggy, making it harder to think creatively and solve problems effectively. Beyond health, the hustle mentality can inflict serious damage on our finances. The pressure to move quickly often leads to poor financial decision-making. You might invest in a business idea without proper research, simply because it feels urgent. You might hire the wrong people because you don't take the time to conduct thorough interviews. These rushed choices result in wasted money, failed projects, and a constant feeling of being behind. Think of a person who starts 3 different businesses in a single year. Business 1, a small cafe or local shop. Business 2, an online store or e-commerce launch. Business 3, a consulting or coaching practice. They are always busy, always launching something new, but none of the ventures has time to gain traction. Their energy and capital are spread so thin that nothing truly grows. This constant state of urgency also erodes the quality of our relationships. When you are always rushing, you have less patience and presence for the people who matter most. Conversations with a spouse, a child, or a close friend become transactional. You are physically there, but your mind is elsewhere, preoccupied with the next task on your endless to-do list. Over time, this lack of genuine connection can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. The very success you are hustling for can end up feeling empty if you have no one to share it with, or if your relationships have become strained by your constant busyness. The greatest cost of all may be the loss of joy. The hustle tells you to postpone happiness until you reach a certain goal, a specific income level, a business milestone, or a level of recognition. But the goalposts are always moving. Once you achieve one thing, the pressure is on to achieve the next. This cycle robs you of the ability to appreciate the present moment. After the age of 50, we possess a unique and powerful asset that younger generations simply do not have: maturity. This is not just about having more birthdays. It is about the deep well of experience, wisdom, perspective we have accumulated over decades. This maturity becomes an unfair advantage when we learn to pair it with a strategy of calm. We have lived through economic cycles, seen trends come and go, and made our share of mistakes. This history gives us an incredible ability to see patterns and to exercise sound judgment. We are less likely to be swayed by hype and more likely to trust our own seasoned instincts. One of the most valuable components of this maturity is our network. Over a career spanning 30 years or more, we have built a rich web of professional and personal connections. These are not just names in a contact list. They are relationships built on a history of mutual trust and respect. When you operate from a place of calm, you have the clarity to see how to best leverage this network. You can thoughtfully reach out to an old colleague for advice, partner with a trusted peer on a new project, or connect two people who could benefit from knowing each other. This is a quiet, powerful form of influence that does not require shouting or frantic activity. Furthermore, maturity brings a profound level of self-awareness. By this stage in life, most of us have a very clear understanding of our strengths and weaknesses. We know what kind of work energizes us and what kind of work drains us. We know our own rhythms and when we do our best thinking. The hustle culture encourages us to be everything to everyone, to fill in our gaps by working harder. A calm, mature approach encourages us to lean into our strengths. It allows us to build a business or a career that is custom fit to our unique talents, creating a path that feels more natural and sustainable. This self-knowledge also extends to our values. After 50, success is often redefined. It may no longer be about climbing a corporate ladder or achieving a certain level of fame. Instead, success might mean the freedom to travel, the flexibility to spend more time with grandchildren, or the opportunity to do work that has a positive impact on the world. Calm gives us the space to get clear on what success means to us now. This clarity is the essence of alignment. When your daily actions are aligned with your deepest values, your work ceases to feel like a struggle and becomes a source of profound satisfaction. Embracing calm is a practice, a series of small, intentional choices that you make every day. It does not happen overnight. The first and most important step is to create space before making significant decisions. The pressure to act immediately is often an illusion. When presented with an offer, a contract, or a major opportunity, give yourself permission to pause. A simple phrase like, "Thank you, I need some time to review this carefully," is a powerful tool. This pause is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of wisdom. It allows you to move from a reactive mode to a thoughtful, strategic one. The second step is to adopt the habit of testing ideas on a small scale. Offer a new service to a single client. Run a small digital ad campaign with a tiny budget. Create a simple prototype to gather feedback. This approach minimizes risk. If the idea fails, the loss is small and the lesson is valuable. If it succeeds, you have real-world proof that the concept works, giving you the confidence to invest more resources. Third, get ruthlessly clear on your core strengths and build your work around them. Take an hour to make a list of the skills and activities that you are good at and the activities that you also enjoy. These are your high-value zones. Then, look at your current work or business. How can you redesign your role to spend more of your time in these zones? Delegate tasks that drain you. Say no to projects that don't fit your skills. Shift your business model to focus on what you do best. This alignment is a direct path to greater effectiveness and fulfillment. Finally, establish clear and simple rules for your money. Financial stress is a primary driver of chaotic, hurried decisions. To counteract this, create a financial buffer. Build an emergency fund that can cover several months of living expenses. This fund is your freedom fund. It gives you the ability to say no to bad opportunities out of desperation. Also, define your personal level of risk tolerance and stick to it. Do not allow fear or greed to push you into making financial moves that keep you up at night. A stable financial base is the bedrock upon which a calm and successful life is built. As we journey through life, our definition of freedom evolves. In our youth, freedom might have meant breaking away from rules and expectations. But after 50, a deeper, more meaningful definition comes into focus. True freedom is not born from a frantic chase for more. It is not found in a calendar packed with endless appointments, a constant sense of urgency. Freedom comes from alignment. It is the profound peace that settles in when your daily life, your work, your core values are all moving in the same direction. It is the ability to choose how you spend your time and energy based on what truly matters to you. This alignment is the ultimate reward of choosing calm over hustle. When you are aligned, you no longer feel the need to prove your worth through constant activity. Your confidence comes from an internal place, from knowing you are on the right path for you. Download the guide. Read it when you're ready. Implement it when it aligns. You can take on a project because it sparks your curiosity, not just because it pays well. You can take an afternoon off to be with a loved one without feeling guilty. This is the success that matters. It is a quiet, steady, and deeply personal form of success that cannot be measured by external metrics of fame or fortune. The beauty of this approach is that it honors the wisdom you have spent a lifetime gathering. Your experiences, triumphant, challenging, have given you a unique perspective. Calm allows you to access this wisdom and use it as your guide. It empowers you to build a life that is not just successful on paper, but one that is meaning, connection, joy. You stop chasing the world's definition of success and start living your own. This is the real work of our later years, to craft a life that reflects who we have become. Do not let the noise of the hustle culture drown out the quiet voice of your own inner wisdom.